Hey everyone, what's happening? And welcome back to the Penguin Revolution. And today I'm just going to talk about the future plans for this channel. I know I've been gone for quite a while. That's been due to some medical issues, and I've been working on some other projects. And now I'm finding time to come back to this channel, and hopefully I can stay back. One of the projects I'm working on is another channel, and I will be letting you know what that channel is in a little while. Not on this video, but probably in a few weeks, because it's not ready to be released yet. So what are my plans for this channel? Well, of course, Linux content, because this is a Linux channel. Kind of would make sense that I would be doing Linux content, but specifically, I'm going to be looking at Ubuntu 20.10 that came out last month, and I really haven't taken a good look at it, and of course I haven't reviewed it yet because I haven't been here. So we're going to be doing that, and we're going to be doing some things with terminal emulators just because I think terminal emulators are fun, even though I don't live in the terminal. There are many different options of terminal emulators, so we're going to explore those, and I'm going to be doing a little bit more with Linux news. So content schedule is going to probably be uploading twice a week, Mondays and Fridays, and hopefully that'll allow me to do my other projects, get my work done, and won't burn me out with all the other stuff I have going on. So that is all I have to say today, and I will see you in the next video, and have fun.